you are welcome to Amazing Creative Studio. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. First thing you will notice is when you update your WhatsApp to the latest version, you will observe that there are some changes on the interface, which is how the updates looks like, and the new feature that was just included, which is the WhatsApp channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a new WhatsApp channel. So okay guys, let's dive into the business. What you need to do is to make sure that you update your WhatsApp in order to see this feature on your device. So let me go for Play Store. Once you download this, once you update your WhatsApp to the latest version, then you'll be able to see this new feature on your phone. As you can see that I'm using the latest version of WhatsApp, so you will need to update your WhatsApp. So in this video, whether you are using a WhatsApp business or you are using an ordinary WhatsApp, you'll be able to do this on whichever version of WhatsApp you are using. So let me go back to my WhatsApp account. So first thing you need to notice is the charts. How the interface of the chart now looks like, the updates and course. Now first thing you will need to notice is this. Now the new latest version of WhatsApp is now showing updates and charts, but on the old latest version of WhatsApp it is showing charts and status. So that is the first thing you need to notice about the new latest version of the WhatsApp. So guys, so just go to updates as you are seeing from here. So go to updates. Now this is what we are talking about. You can see that the interface has now been changed. Before on the old version of WhatsApp, the status used to show vertically. As like this. Used to show vertically like this, but now it is now showing horizontally, as you can see. So if you need to see all the status of your friends, you need to scroll to the left side to see the status of your friends. See, you need to scroll to the left side of the screen to see the status of your friends. And if you want to add text on your status, you need to click on the pen tool that is right there, as you can see. So you need to click on it to send a status to write a text on your status. What is new, and you need to send it. If you want to add photos or videos, you need to click on this camera icon. Okay. So once you click on it, you'll be able to add images. You need to add videos on it. That is that about the status. Then the next thing you need to notice is the channel that we are talking about. This is the channel. You can see that before on the old version of WhatsApp, there is no channel on it. But now this is now the new version of WhatsApp, which is now showing WhatsApp. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. This plus sign to create a channel, to create your channel. You just click. So you can see that there is two options that is showing to you here, but what we are concerned about is to create channel. So just click on create channel, then click on continue, then enter the name of your channel, Amazing Creative, Amazing Creative Studio. So just add your channel description and click on create channel. So before then, another thing you need to do is to add the image of your channel. Just add the image of your channel. You can add the image of your channel. So that's another thing that you can do. You can add image to your channel, then click on create channel. So guys, now you can see that we have created WhatsApp channel. So guys, in case you want to monetize this your WhatsApp channel, you can get your channel link from the button above. As you can see from this up, you can click on it to get your channel link and share to your followers. Just as you can see that there is different options here that you can use to get your WhatsApp channel link. You can use send link via WhatsApp, or share to visitors, or copy link and share link. So from these options, guys, you can click on copy link to copy this link and share to any platforms of your choice. By this way, you will be able to share your WhatsApp channel to your other platform. So the another option here is you can also search for channels that you want to follow. As you can see here, these are the channels that I'm following currently. These are the channels I'm following currently. You can also search for any channel that you want to follow by clicking on this button above. By clicking on this button above, as you can see, just click on see all. So once you click on see all, you'll be able to see the available listed WhatsApp channels. You can follow them by clicking on this plus sign. By clicking on this plus sign, you can follow them by clicking on this plus sign. And also you can also search, you can also look for channel, for WhatsApp, for channel, any of the channels that you know. You can reach by clicking on this search button and enter the name of the channel you want to look for, like Laugh. As you can see, MC Laugh Doctor. As you can see, so you can see in this WhatsApp channel, you are the only person that can post. All your subscribers will not be able to comment or reply. So what they can only do is to make a reaction. As you can see, the reactions of these people. That is only what they can do on this new WhatsApp channel feature. You can see, they can only react on your post. So they cannot comment on your post, but they can react on your post. As you can see from here, I can react now. If you can see, I can react, clicking on this to react. That is the reaction button. That is the reaction button. So I've sent my reaction. So another option here is that you can also decide to change your location. If you are in Nigeria, you want to look for other countries' channel, you can click on this button above, which is Nigeria, and look for the location you want to search for. You want to search, you can click on Brazil. These are the available WhatsApp channels from Brazil. And you can also change the location again and choose any countries of your choice, but by default, if you are in Nigeria, it will be selected as Nigeria by default. Another thing you can do from here is to choose the most active channels the most popular channels and the new registered channels. That is, I believe with this video you'll be able to create your new WhatsApp channel and monetize it, make money from it. Guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, you can please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also ensure that you click on the notification bell so that you'll be able to receive notification anytime I posted on my YouTube channels. So thank you guys, I love you.